Welcome back, model railroaders. Today I have a layout update for you guys. I completed the detail work on the ground foam that I laid last week. We planted trees and bushes there. I also have a grass mat that I am doing for the office break area. I ordered an N-scale fence that should be here soon, so hopefully I can complete that step next week. I'll be making grass tufts for the area around the yard office, but I will produce a new video on that because I want to do scenery techniques on that. Let's get into the layout. This is the detail work I completed over the base ground foam that I showed you guys last week. We planted trees, some bushes. I'm just waiting for the glue to dry. Everything's looking pretty good though. I like the way that it came out. Here's where I'll be laying the grass mat that I am making. It'll be the break area with the benches and the fenced-in yard. I have a static grass mat that I will put there. So what I did here is I used JTT professional trees, and then I just buy the tree line basic trees from JTT and I use them as filler trees. And then if we get down low, I'm just using woodland scenics, clump foliage, and light green bushes. We put in a railroad crossing sign. We put in a railroad property sign. Here's an overall view of it. I like the way it came out. I think it looks really good. I'm happy with this. So we're just cracking along. Okay, so as you see, there is the detail work that I did for the yard area. I put some signs in. We planted some trees. Showed you guys where I'm going to be laying the static grass mat that I am making. So look out for the video next week on the grass tufts, some scenery techniques that I'll be giving you guys, and a new layout update next week. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.